Odunmbaku, the Yoruba name Odunmbaku, has a profound meaning. It translates to the year I would have died. The name is often given to a child born after the mother has made sacrifice to prolong its life, following the divination of an Ifa priest. It reflects a deep sense of gratitude and relief associated with the child's birth. Oriki Odunmbaku ní èdè Yorùbá. Odunmbaku ọmọ awo ìdì tí ń migbó kìjìkìjì, ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni àtẹ ẹ̀ka, ọmọ ènìyàn fetí sọ̀rọ̀ àgbà tí ń fi ọwọ́ ara rẹ̀ lánilára, igbá tí ń bẹ tí a kò lè fọwọ́ rọ́ sẹ́yìn, ọmọ olódò tí ń rọmi sílẹ̀ fọ́tí, ọmọ ìdì tó fi ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ wàjà, ọmọ ìdì tí ń feṣinṣin lé orí ọ̀tá, ọmọ ìdì tí ń solẹ̀ pupa bí ajá, ẹni tí ojú rẹ̀ gba ìmọ́lẹ̀ tí ó mọ àṣírí ayé, ọmọ tó gbójúlé ayé tí ó rí àánú tí ó rí ire, ọmọ tí ó ní ojú tí kò rí ikú, tí ó ní etí tí kò gbọ́ ìkúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ, ọmọ tí ó ní ìran tí kò rí àjálù, ọmọ tí ó ní ojú tí nàgbà tí ẹlòmíràn ń lọ sí ọ̀run, tí ó rí ọjọ́ iwájú àti ìpín àwọn ènìyàn pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹyẹ. And this Oriki was translated in English, which says, Odunmbaku, the mystic child, eagle that steers the forest, offspring of the wise, one who lends an ear to the elders' wisdom, soothing themselves with their own hands in times that linger beyond reach, child of the deep river, who becomes water to quench thirst, offspring of the eagles, wielding bananas as weapons, offspring of the eagles, laying wasp upon the enemy's head, offspring of the eagle, who shuts doors with a bang, offspring of the eagles, who steadies the heart upon the earth, one whose eyes captures the light, who knows the secrets of the world, child who gazes upon life, seeing both grace and favor, one with the eyes that do not see them, with ears that do not hear the mother's labor pain, one with vision that do not foresee disaster, one with eye that knows when others are about to ascend to heaven, who sees the future and the fate of others with the eyes of the predominant birds. This Oriki was compiled by Reuben Odunmbaku. I am Omowomejiwa, and I give credit to the song Odunmbaku by Teledala.